Assalamu alaikum students, I hope you all are fine. Dear students, today we will revise the parts of CPU. In the previous lecture we have revised CPU and parts of CPU. Now the parts of CPU. There are three parts of CPU: CU, ALU and MU. CU stand for control unit, ALU stand for arithmetic logic unit and MU stand for memory unit. Now the first part is CU, means control unit. Dear students, the control unit manages all the operations of computer system, all parts in peripheral of a computer system. It also controls the transfer of information from one part of the CPU to another. Second part is ALU, means arithmetic logic unit. It is arithmetic and logic unit that performs all calculations and logical operations. The third part is MU, means memory unit. The memory unit store information temporarily for making calculations. This temporary storage is made up of register. A register is just like a piece of paper for rough calculations. Dear students, if you want to store information, send the output to the storage devices like CD, DVD, hard disk and pen drive. You store the data to the storage devices. Let's read from the book. Control unit. When data and instructions are sent by input devices, all the operations are controlled by a control unit or CU. CU is short form of control unit. Dear students, look at this picture. There are many cars in this picture and traffic policemen controlling all the traffic just like CU. CU control all the operations. Arithmetic logic unit, ALU. Dear students, ALU is the short form of arithmetic logic unit. Arithmetic logic unit or ALU performs arithmetic and logical operations. Dear students, these are the operators which are used in arithmetic operations, and these are the operators which are used in logical operations. Dear students, look at this picture. The person is calculating the things by using his mind just like ALU. In ALU we perform arithmetic and logical operations. Memory unit, MU. MU is the short form of memory unit. Memory unit or MU is used to store the data and information. Dear students, look at this picture. In this picture, whenever we learn a new things, we keep storing information in our books. So just like MU is used to store the data and information. Okay students, today we have revised the parts of CPU. Okay students, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.